Linking your bank account to Klarna is a straightforward process that allows for seamless transactions and payments. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Download and open the Klarna app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by providing your email and setting up a password. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the account or settings section of the app. Look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts to begin the linking process. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Method section, choose the option to add bank account. You may be prompted to select your bank from a list or enter your bank details manually. Step 4. Enter bank details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Klarna may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Klarna into your account or using your bank's online banking credentials. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to Klarna, allowing you to make payments easily. If you encounter any issues, refer to Klarna's customer support for assistance.